This video is sponsored by DetailedVehicleHistory.com. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Cardy, your favorite car detective. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of used cars, Craigslist, and a deal that's as fishy as a car swimming upstream. Hold on tight as we unveil the case of the suspicious Ram, uncovering the truth. Our tale begins with a dazzling discovery. A 2019 Dodge Ram 2500 Turbo Diesel, listed on Craigslist for a mere $41,000. A deal so tempting it's like finding a unicorn at a yard sale. But hold your horsepower, my friends, because things are not always what they seem. This shiny specimen boasts only about 33,000 miles, a spotless interior. But why the owner mentioned this car has rebuilt title?
Wait a minute!
To get to the bottom of this automotive enigma, we need our secret weapon, the Vehicle Identification Number, or VIN number. Bingo! DetailedVehicleHistory.com to the rescue. Let's decode this VIN and see what secrets it uncovers. And there it is, dear viewers, the plot twists that put a Quentin Tarantino movie to shame. 2 previous owners and vehicle used for lease. Not bad. 1 reported accident and mileage discrepancy. 2 lien or loan records. And what's this? A salvage title with a fire damage record? Oh, and insurance loss record. It's like the car has been in more drama than a soap opera. And finally, an auction record.
Okay.
It's like the car has its own passport to a secret underworld. So, my rating for this vehicle is 3 out of 5 stars, because seller mentioned that this vehicle has a rebuilt title. He is also presenting a Carfax report, which may not offer a comprehensive detailed vehicle history. Folks, don't get duped by the sparkle and shine, and never forget to check the vehicle history before you buy a used car. This is Cardy, signing off from a suspicious case cracked wide open. If you enjoyed this video and escaped some sneaky car deals, give us a thumbs up, share, and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay vigilant and keep those engines roaring.